And I want to salute and congratulate IACF for this evening, but also for the program that you joined last year to be part of this great effort to pool your resources to help our society, to do what you can do to make life better for those who are wondering, does anyone care? Can I count on anybody?
We have focused in the East Coast this year on our children. In past years, we focused on pollution. We focused on providing support for the Wounded Warriors. We've supported schools and education. So an industry like the insurance industry serves so many facets of our communities. And as such, we're able to reach out and provide avenues where we think our focus can give back the most in terms of grants and support to those communities.
I think we all have a sense of urgency to this thing called the IICF because we all know it's made a tremendous impact already. It's making a tremendous impact as we speak, and we're just getting started. So I think it's an exciting thing to be a part of.
The insurance industry was part of the financial backbone of Starlight Foundation to contribute to the transformation of the clinical environment to a warm, healing, playful environment. I saw very ill children smiling, and that amazed me. I saw very caring nurses, health professionals who benefit from what Starlight Foundation does. They, the health services environment can be very clinical. And at times, particularly for children, that can inhibit their ability to heal.
I'm 11 now, and when I was sick, I was 9.
He was diagnosed with a disease called pheochromocytoma. And they removed his tumor. The tumor was about 5 centimeters on his left adrenal gland, and so they had that removed. The monies from the charity go towards the painting and the remodeling of these wards, so that way when these children come out of their rooms, they're not seeing a blank gray wall with a sterile painting. They're looking at these murals and, their imagination takes them to a different place. And I think that's all thanks to Starlight and their funding.
Today, we're in a hospital. It's filled with color, it's filled with joy, it's filled with a warmth and a feeling of care that will certainly help these children recover.
One of the things that the Insurance Industry Charitable Foundation is focused on is giving back to education. And so an organization like Boys Hope, Girls Hope really has a grassroots in the New York community of helping children get the kind of foundation and education that allows them to be effective, contributing, and considerate members of society. And you can't help more than that.
You have to study. You have to do your work. You have to maintain an 85 average to stay in here. So it pushes you. You have to work for something in order to stay here.
As human beings, we're all born with the potential to do great things. And Boys Hope, Girls Hope is an organization that basically levels the playing field and enables these kids that are academically motivated and gifted to achieve their fullest potential.
In the environment I was in, where I was growing up, it wasn't the type of environment that promotes, good grades, studying, passing your tests, getting hundreds in your tests. It wasn't that type of environment. And if it wasn't for this program, I wouldn't be the person I am today.
And quite personally, I'm actually enamored with IICF by virtue of the fact that they are able to serve as an umbrella nonprofit corporation that pools the resources from various insurance companies and funnels it towards a common goal of bettering humankind and supporting organizations that serve for the betterment of human beings in need.
The International Rescue Committee puts people affected by disasters and political upheaval really back on their feet in a fresh start in a new country. You know, people who come from different cultures, different backgrounds, to give them a fresh start, to learn a new language, to be part of a new culture, to get a job, to be self-sufficient, to be part of an insurance community that through the IICF is capable of creating a difference in those people's lives, I think is a natural extension of what the insurance community is all about. And it's something we're all very proud of, and because it affects people at the individual level. And I can't think of a cause that's certainly more deserving and more heartfelt than getting somebody back on their feet in the United States and even in New York City by the powers of insurance community locally. The World Cares organization, which was born out of the events of 9/11, is really what the insurance industry is all about. What World Cares did was they found out that after 9/11, there was a tremendous amount of spontaneous volunteers from the local community to assist the Red Cross, the military, other people that were affected by the events from 9/11.
You could see the smoke bellowing from down below, and it was there, and all you wanted to do was go there and do something, make some kind of a difference, and you couldn't.
As the hours went on that night, that's when the community started becoming involved, and people were showing up. What can we do? What do you need? And there was just no one had any answers at that point.
World Care Center is not a response organization. We teach citizens and emergency managers within communities to be prepared to respond on their own. Every citizen should be empowered with the knowledge of what to do in a situation that might happen to them in their neighborhood.
I've always been an advocate of making a positive image and encouraging a positive image for our industry. And I think this is a wonderful way for us to harness collective strength of our industry to give back to the communities we serve.
I would say that the insurance industry has a heart. And through the insurance industry's alignment with IICF, we have the opportunity to show our heart, to show our passion, and to show our compassion for those in need through our contributions.
I would say your cause is a noble cause. To help somebody that you really don't know at all and donate money and help them, give them a chance in life, something that a few people do. And you gotta be a very caring person to do something like that.
Comfort.
Support.
Hope.
Strength.
Our future.